Fluttering Butterfly. Let's decorate beautiful wings and turn ourselves into fluttering butterflies. Let's get ready. First, line up the ends of your packing string and tie them together to make a big loop. Pull it tight. Great job. Now spread your colorful plastic bags flat on the table. Next, squeeze the middle really tight. Scrunch, scrunch. Take your looped string and wrap it around the center from the back. Tie it once in the middle. Look! Now you have two big loops on each side. That's where your arms will go later. Let's work on the top corners of the wings. Attach a rubber band to each pointed corner. Fold the corners, slip them through the rubber band, and secure them with some tape. Nice and sturdy. Now it's decorating time. Yay! Grab your decorative origami paper. Fold it in half to make a rectangle. If you like, fold it again to make a square. Now comes the fun part. Cut it any way you want. Try cutting round shapes, diagonal lines, or even zigzags. Snip, snip. When you're done, slowly open it up. Wow! What cool shape did you make? Let's make tiny ribbons using tissue paper. Pinch the middle and wrap tape around it. If you flip it and fold the corners toward the center, it makes a cute little bow shape. So pretty! Now let's make a diamond. Fold a small piece of origami paper into a triangle. Gently bend the two sharp corners inward and tie. It looks like a tiny sparkling jewel. If you layer it on top of another paper, it looks even more amazing. Time to decorate the wings. Where should we stick our designs? Maybe here, or over there. Add tape to the corners of your cut paper so they stay on nicely. If you're using aluminum foil circles, you can stick them flat, or roll them into tiny shiny balls for extra sparkle. Don't forget to decorate both the right and left wings so they match beautifully. Once your wings are all decorated, it's time to transform. Put your arms through the big string loops and wear the wings on your back. Then slip your hands through the rubber bands at the top corners. Look at that! When you move your arms up and down, your wings flap like a real butterfly. Flutter, flutter, flutter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can create more fun crafts together.